How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to talk about VLCN, give another update because a lot of people, I get it, they seen this thing go up big right in this area. And so it attracted a lot of buyers on these pullbacks. And then ever since then, people has been bag holding a lot. And you'll see this a lot where you get this run up. They attract all these people to come in, and then they pull back and make new lows ever since, right? So I want to go over the strategy, exactly when to buy, when to exit, and what you are seeing here, because every strategy helps. And if you're watching this, you're trying to look for a reversal on this thing. If you're in it, or if you're looking to get into it, this is a good video for you to watch too. So, and also do keep in mind, I have a premium Discord of only $6. If you want to find my exact entries, I have a swing trade alert section where you get my exact entries and exits for only $6, and I'll post that into the YouTube comments below. And I have an over 95% win ratio, and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm doing this strat. So, we have the three bands. The lower band is a buy zone, and the middle band is where price has to go back to. Usually a month is very long. If it takes longer than that, you just don't really see it. But around a 1 month time frame is where I like to see. The top band is where price tends to sell off. People look to buy shorts, puts, and do keep in mind these are customized settings. So if price does get to these areas, these are very reliable for a correction. I'm not saying we're going to go from here all the way up and keep trending. I'm talking about corrections to make your 20 to 30 or even 100% gainers, and then it can sell off at any moment. It doesn't matter because these are penny stocks. That's what they do. All the charts look the same most of the time, where you have these big downward spirals. So let me go over the system. As you can see, when price does get quite under here, we start to see price to go back up. And I'm going to use this example. This is way back here in 2023 of May. As you can see, our last touch was right here on the middle band, this yellow band right here. So I record the date at 5:15, and then our next touch is 6:06. As you can see, it hasn't even been a month. It was like three weeks, and we get that touch. And what it is algos are correcting it to there. They are. The price is not random, right? Price will do what the algos want it to do, and there is some very smart people on exactly where they want to do. So what we have is a paintbrush going down, and then they're filling in that paint with an upside right in here to fill that gap here on this middle band. And so this right here is your gap, and then they fill it up to a T right here, and then it can do whatever it wants. And then right here, touch of the bottom band, bam, bam, 20%, easy 30% right in here. So like I said, it does help to know where the price is at, the bottom band, and all that. So let's go to exactly, I have to zoom in. Let's go to exactly where we're seeing it. And I'm going to show you guys that big move that I liked and exactly why I liked it. So if we know price has to touch the middle band, and we know a 1 month is very long, it tends to hit it within a 1 month time frame. So let's look at this. We have 131 of the middle band touch. The next touch is 228. Let's think about that. 1 month is super long and pretty rare. So 131 to 228, that is 3 days shy of 1 month time frame. And guess what the algos decide to do? This is not a bad trade, and the reason why I would not take it based on the lower band is because when you see price like this jump up, and it is going to expand the bands, and the bands are going to take time. It needs a lot of time to correlate to the price. So what you would then use is the K on the KDJ, which is this line right here. Anything in the 3 range is extremely low for the K on the KDJ. So if you're looking at this, it is 3.48, which is extremely low. And guess what? You can do your trade based on that, because the main thing is time distance. When you see this big gap of not getting touched, and guess what? The algos do it to a T, making massive gains right in here. And could have easily took your profit here. Probably not everyone expected it to go way up here, but that's just nice to see, as there's a lot of potential, right? And then guess what? Price resets this middle band. So now our next middle band touch, gets reset, and it looks like, it just kind of like scurries around up, bouncing its head. Our next middle band touch is right here. So you want to see the current data. our middle band is 328. So 428 is 1 month, and that is super, super long. So if you're looking to get in this position or looking to average down to drastically increase your average, I would wait. Definitely wait for a longer time distance. It was what I call it, with a low K. The K right now is 15.93. When I say low K, I am looking for 3 in the less than 5 range, but ideally 3 on the K, and that is this line. So there was no wonder why we sold off right in here. We hit the middle band. The K was 47, and it just had to reset it because penny stocks generally do go down, and where we make our money is finding those precise reversals. And with this system, we can kind of see where those reversals should happen and kind of like, kind of time it as best as we can. So we have this touch. We want to wait for at least 3 weeks of time frame, price as close as possible to the bottom band with a low K on the KDJ. I hope this guide helps, guys, because a lot of people are asking, like, but what I'm seeing is completely normal for a penny stock. This is completely normal. I've seen it time after time after time, and you just got to be, kind of be patient. And have a system that you like. If you're looking for reversals, this is a system you're more than welcome to use. I have amazing accumulation skills on when to buy, when to exit, and have a whole game plan. That's the main thing, is have a game plan, back test your strategy, see if it actually works. With this strategy, there's an over 95% win ratio. I only lost 1 trade in 6 months, and I could have won it. I could have been 100% win ratio, but I decided to get emotional and I cut the trade loose. Then it ran, the next day. But it's whatever. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord and how to trade like me and actually see the system, it's only $6 a month. And what you get is my exact swing trade alerts of my entries and exits, of when I enter, when I exit, why I enter, my accumulation rolls. So you get all here. And we have some day trade alerts, and then education videos. We'll have a thing on how to get your chart to look like this, on how to use it properly with time distance. So a lot of education for only $6 a month. And you're probably wondering, why is it so cheap? And the reason is because I want any trader to be able to get into this service without saying the fees are too high. My accountant's not big enough to make money over the fees. And I get that. I've been there and I've done that. And I've been to Discords that will charge thousands of dollars and just for some losing strategy. And when you talk about the ticker, they get all mad and they don't want to talk about it anymore. Whereas I'm very transparent. If I'm in a trade, I am in it with you guys as I'm putting my own money in, right? So $6 a month. If you want to join, click on the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and you guys won't regret it. These are the best trades, and it'll be in my description on YouTube. You'll be able to find it everywhere. It'd be very transparent on how to join. And when you click on that link to join the premium Discord, it looks like this. If you're new to Discord, this is the landing page, and I labeled it free chat because you're not going to get any alerts. You're not going to get the system. This is just a landing page. And if you want to join the premium Discord and get the alerts, go to the subscriptions area, click premium chat. All these tabs right here, you can click any of them, and it'll opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month. And if you do that, it is best to do it on computer because it'll avoid the iOS, since iOS does charge a fee if you do it on your phone, but it's not, terribly expensive. It's whatever. It's up to you. It's already cheap. And when you do, you unlock all these channels and you get my daily communication, my alerts, education videos, and all that good stuff. I really hope you guys do decide to join to change your financial freedom into, something that's beautiful. Take your family on vacations and do whatever you want, because if you can master this skill, there is so much money to be made. Millions and millions and millions of dollars go into the markets, and lots of people lose, but you can be part of the traders that don't lose, and have a system that we target low risk setups for high reward. And we always try to do what the system, there's no bias. That's the greatest thing about this. We're not saying, oh, it's so low already and it can always go lower. We already know that, but we want to make sure where the reflection points, where the reversals and corrections are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Any type of engagement helps me want to make more YouTube videos, and it helps the algorithm spread it to other retail traders. This is my current update on VLCN, on April 6th, 2024, so it could change at any moment. But do keep in mind, like, yeah, it could easily test the middle band here, but I want to wait for the best risk versus reward of time distance, lower band, and a low K. If you guys want to learn the system and see my alerts, join the premium Discord, and I wish to see you guys there. Happy trading, happy weekend, and thanks so much for watching. Peace out.